Good morning. It is now, what time is it? 6:56 in the morning, and we're up and we're showered and we're clean. We spent last night here in the wonderful, spacious Hanoi Hilton. And we kept our smoker going all night long with our pork butts in there. And it is time to, no kidding, we had to get them stoked like 4 or 5 times. So now it's time to start the chimneys and get the wings cooking. Let's do it. Oh, first, got all the trophies out. Yeah, baby. The ones that are left, at least. All right, man. Let's do it to it. All right, I'll give you guys a tour around our booth, starting with the front. This is the serving table. We got our 2 Nescos for keeping our wings and other meats warm while we're serving them. We've got our grilling stations here for the wings. They're getting ready to light off here in just a minute. We got the smoker trailer set up. That's where we're doing our butts and wings. Good morning.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? And then moving next to that, we've got the ugly drum smoker, which is where the ribs will be cooked later. And then next to that, we've got what we affectionately call the big ass cooker. In between all of this, we're gonna cook about 300 pounds of meat today. And the plan is grill the wings, stockpile them in the big ass cooker, keep them warm, then transfer them to the Nescos where we'll serve them. So they stay warm the whole time. But we can stockpile plenty well in advance.
Want to help me unload?
Let's check in on those butts. Oh, mamacita. They are just about half done. Oh yeah, baby, we are in good shape. This wood is as dry as a popcorn fart. It ought to light off with just that little bit of bag there. Oh man, I have never been here when it's been this cold. Ugh. I'm gonna stand near the fire to keep warm. Oh my gosh. I know I look like a complete and utter goober with this camera on my head and these goggles, but holy moly, these goggles work great. I just stuck my head into that smoke, and though I could like coughed it, it didn't get in my eyes. I'm not gonna spend the whole day crying. Warm your hand and your breakfast at the same time.
That's right.
We're at 7:50 a.m. and we are getting ready to start the wings. This is a new record for us. I think last year we started around 8, so we're like a 10 minutes ahead of where we were last year.
That's a hell of a lot less. I mean, that Sam's, even IQF,
Yeah.
225, 229, something like that. Pour that stuff off and have a drink.
Oh yeah, man.
That'd be good for you. Good for you.
Hey, Mickey.
Yeah, I'm gonna spread this last over there. What's that?
The trademark light dusting?
Light dusting.
Got it.
Probably. prepping ribs.
You got it, baby. Cooks me in time.
I'm gonna go over some of the basic rules. Pretty simple, don't ask a lot. This is competition barbecue meeting.
All right, working on ribs. The most important step is peeling the membrane off the inside of the ribs. If you don't get this off, then the ribs are tough and you don't get smoke penetration as deep into the meat. And when you bite them, you have to rip them. Not as desirable.
No, we'll just push it.
Yeah, just kind of spread the...
Okay.
Yeah. Just a little bit. And it's... You don't have to rub this in.
Okay.
That's perfect. And we're going to keep these on full heat for about 3.
So just grab them.
Yep.
Baby, look at those. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
Oh man, those are Foo King hot wings, baby. It is just now 10 till 10. We've already got the bulk of the wings cooked and in the here. We've already got half the links on. We've got the butts rocking along. The ribs are on. I mean, and they're not even selling tasters kits to start giving out until 11:30. So we got an hour and a half, and we just got to have some time just to kind of
Kick back and have a beer.
a little bit. Yeah. So, but we're running out of space for all the stuff we're cooking, so we're gonna have to ratchet that back to here. We're doing good. This is the best we've ever been. We're in such great condition now. All right, status report. 10:45, and they just started selling tasters kits.
Step right up, want a brown ticket? Hey, taste that, and if that's the best, what the brown ticket will be the best, no question.
See that?
I hope so. Chicken King. Foo King.
Ding! They're done.
Do a test here. Oh yeah. Oh, mother of pearl. Oh baby. Oh, it's so hot. Oh man, 10 after 12. We're on track, man. We're working our butts off right now.
We're doing a finishing touch on our show wings. Just trying to pick a good selection, a nice variety of shapes and the perfect color. And we want to give them just a little hot sear on here, just to get them ready, get some of the extra sauce and some of the saltiness of the sauce off of them. We just want to make them. We want to make them to where they're absolutely perfect. So we're gonna get some dry heat on them, and then plate them up, turn them in.
Turn in is in 2 minutes. All right, let's go turn them in. Foo King, yes ma'am. Foo King.
Put that in my car.
That's right. Not until after you judge it. Come on now.
I know.
Thank you all. It's one down.
One down. One down. We got what?
Three more to go.
Yeah. Getting smoke on the butts now.
Dude, we've already got all the next stuff is already in and cooking. So.
Yep.
All right, what do we have?
Warm and fresh.
We need some.
Brown chicken. Eat that chicken, say wow, it's you.
Some more.
Here. Now you're fresh chicken.
Well, he's more than welcome. Juice on the bottom.
Into it. I'm Evan. Number 8. Yes, I'm Evan.
It's so nice to meet you.
You guys right, remember.
Let's go on his camera here.
Okay. So the rest will be served to our friends.
All right, I'm gonna start prepping the links to turn in.
Got the ribs, you got the links. Turning them in.
Crowd's pretty good.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be a lighter crowd, but man, they've turned out, that's for sure.
And it's not feeling that cold now.
Wow.
I'm comfortable the way I am. Oh, Derek. Ooh, good smokery in there.
I'll take that one there on home right now.
Yeah, I'll bet you will.
Oh, the bone, yeah. Nice.
I like that one best so far.
That one? If this butt doesn't win, I won't be surprised, but I will know that they have terrible taste in open barbecue.
We're good. You over smoking it right now?
Yeah. All right, so we just prepped our turn-in pork butt for the open category. I forgot to record me getting it out and getting it prepped, but we're getting ready to take it. I'm gonna walk over there right now. Open? Yes. Foo King. Open. Thank you. Awards time. Here's what we find out if we're lucky enough to have won anything. So here we are freezing our pork butts off. Holy moly, every year we always complain about how hot and sunburned we are and how heat stroke we are. This year we're getting the exact opposite.
Doesn't seem to be any happy medium.
Nope, it just no. Say hi, guys.
359541.
Oh, fifth place. Foo King Hotwing Company, head cook Colin Wetz.
Ticket number 359543.
Woo! Come on, guys.
Get the old man up here too. All right, now we're gonna do Division 2 crowd pleasing barbecue. First place, Foo King Hotwing. And a $350 check.
Donate it back.
Back to the Exchange Club, Mike. Thank you, Foo King Hotwings. First place, crowd pleasing barbecue Division 2.
This feels kind of familiar.
Yeah, just another year to go.
So it's a wonderful thing. I like it a lot. Look forward to it every year.
We start planning the day after, before we're even done. So it's exciting.